Have you ever found yourself daydreaming about living a luxurious lifestyle in Costa del Sol without emptying your pockets? Well, you might be closer to this dream than you think. Imagine the allure of Costa del Sol with its stunning beaches, vibrant nightlife, and consistently pleasant weather. The good news is, enjoying this slice of Spain doesn't have to leave you penniless. You don't need to shell out big bucks to experience the best that Costa del Sol has to offer. One of the key aspects of living luxuriously on a budget in Costa del Sol is finding the right accommodation. In this beautiful region, there's a wealth of affordable accommodation options that marry comfort, style, and budget-friendly pricing. This isn't about settling for less. It's about finding the perfect fit for your needs and your wallet. A popular choice among budget-conscious visitors and residents alike are the cozy apartments scattered throughout Costa del Sol. These apartments offer all the comforts of home, including fully equipped kitchens and comfortable living spaces, without the sky-high prices of luxury resorts. They're conveniently located close to local amenities, and many even offer stunning sea views. If you're looking for something a little more spacious, consider one of the stylish villas available for rent. These properties offer more room to spread out, and often come with extras, like private pools and lush gardens. It might surprise you just how affordable these villas can be, especially if you're willing to stay a little further from the busiest tourist zones. And let's not forget about the charming bed and breakfast that dot the region. These establishments offer a more personal touch, with hosts who are eager to share their local knowledge and make your stay truly unforgettable. So, even when you're budgeting, you can still wake up to a stunning view of Costa del Sol. Another way to live like royalty in Costa del Sol without the royal expenses is to indulge in the region's delicious cuisine. The area's culinary scene is a gastronomic paradise, brimming with a variety of dishes that will tantalize your taste buds without emptying your wallet. From the freshest seafood caught daily from the Mediterranean to delectable tapas that are as diverse as the region itself, the food here is a culinary journey. And let's not forget about traditional Spanish dishes like paella, gazpacho, and pisto, all bursting with flavor and steeped in centuries of culinary tradition. Eating out in Costa del Sol can be an affordable affair. Many eateries offer daily menus, a fixed price for a meal, usually including a starter, main course, dessert, and a drink. So, you can dine like a king, without needing a king's budget. In Costa del Sol, experiencing a gourmet lifestyle doesn't have to come with a gourmet price tag. And of course, living in luxury in Costa del Sol isn't just about where you stay and what you eat. It's also about the experiences you have. This region is brimming with affordable, even free activities and attractions. Fancy a hike? The mountains here offer trails that cater to both beginners and seasoned hikers, with breathtaking views that are worth every step. More into history or culture? The historic towns scattered across the region are a treasure trove of ancient architecture, charming cobblestone streets, and intriguing local lore. You can also indulge in the vibrant nightlife without splurging. From flamenco shows to local music performances, there's always something going on. And if you're a beach lover, the stunning coastline with its golden sands and crystal clear waters is yours to enjoy, free of charge. With so many affordable activities and attractions, every day in Costa del Sol can be a luxury adventure without draining your wallet. Living a luxurious lifestyle in Costa del Sol on a budget is more achievable than you might think. With an array of affordable accommodations from cozy apartments to stylish villas, delectable yet reasonably priced local cuisine, and a wealth of activities that don't cost a fortune, the high life is within reach. So, pack your bags and get ready for a taste of luxury in Costa del Sol that won't leave your bank account in despair. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on living the high life for less.